today we'll create 4 buns using U-shape or French pins. These buns are perfect for those with fine hair as well too, so let's jump in. For the first one, we want to make sure our hair is well detangled. I'll measure my parting with my hand like I always do. Then gathering all our hair into a low ponytail, we want to roll a little bit our hair downwards. Using our thumb, we want to wrap our hair around it like I'm showing. Then grabbing a U-pin, I decided to use this one. We want to bring it through the middle where our thumb finger is, and stretching a little bit our bun, we want to bring it to opposite side like that. For the next one, we want to divide all our hair into 2 equal sections, and then we want to twist each section one way, and then we want to twist them around each other opposite way. I like to twist it first upwards like that, and then bringing to one side. We want to continue our rope braid like that. Now we want to bring our hair around our base, creating a round shape of our bun, making sure the ends are inside of our created construction like that. If your hair is longer, make sure to wrap it several times, and then grabbing a French pin, we want to bring it through the middle of our bun and wiggling it a bit. We want to bring it to opposite side. Next, we want to make sure our hair is well detangled, and we want to gather it into a middle bun. Then grabbing your hand, you want to create a loop with your hair like that, twist it a bit to one side, and then you want to bring this loop over your created construction. Guys, if your hair is longer, make sure to twist it several times, not only once like I did. Then grabbing your French pin, you want to bring it through the middle of your bun and bring it to opposite side like that. Next, we want to brush our hair well and gathering our hair into a middle ponytail. You want to tie it with a clear elastic. Then bringing your ponytail up, you want to create a loop like I'm showing, twisting your hair. Then grabbing the ends, you want to wrap it and hide it under your elastic like that. Then grabbing a U-pin or French pin, bring it through the elastic and then bring it through the hair from the scalp. You will create this amazing high updo. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's U-pin hairstyle. If you like them, please don't forget about thumbs up and let me know what videos you'd like to see next on Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today, and love you. See you soon in my next one. Bye.